everyone. This is Eric with your weekend market update for the soft markets. Let's start with cocoa. I haven't looked at cocoa for a long time because the market has been very choppy. You look at these bars through here and these gaps, it's just downright scary. So given that, I'm actually questioning why I'm looking at perhaps taking a cocoa trade this week. You can see that cocoa has broken the trend line to the downside. About a month ago, prices fell off, have rallied, hit the backside of the trend line again, and fell off ever so slightly, but recovered on Friday. Now, this fact that the market is almost trading sessions lends some question to the downside potential in this market, which is why I'm looking to buy the market long above a break of last week's high. You can see there is some resistance around this 1959-1960 area, which is my intended entry. It's not without its problems, however. We do have a double hit on the resistance near the contract highs, which of course sent the market into a tailspin only about 4 or 5 weeks ago. I'm going to cover the trade very close to Friday's low, which was at 1901, or essentially 19 even. I'm going to cover it at 1910. That's going to put almost $500 on the table. That's plenty for me. If I'm wrong, that's enough for me to say, okay, I'll take my lumps now. Profit target is off the weekly charts. It's actually near 22. I'm going to perhaps run it as high as 21.77 before I get very serious about taking my profit. Overall, it's not a bad looking trade. It's certainly not a stellar trade, but cocoa can move so fast that it could develop into a good trade very, very quickly. The other market I'm keeping an eye on is coffee. Coffee prices have been in a decline since the beginning of the year, and we found support last week, or pardon me, the week before, down here at 103.25. From there, prices have just kind of floundered a little bit, not really committing to the upside nor the downside. The market in perfect balance. However, RSI is getting very close to a trendline test point, which I will probably take advantage of and try to set up to sell the bounce lower. Now, ideally, we should wait for it to trade below the contract lows, especially given that the market has been trending for an extended period of time. However, we'll see how it sets up. If it sets up near a reasonably strong resistance area, I'll be a little bit more inclined to get in there a little bit earlier and perhaps try to pick up a little bit more profit. And that's your market update for the soft complex.